Okay, here we go. Got another project. The Auction GLC. The wind must have blown the cover off. I actually haven't seen it without the cover yet. It's pretty nice. It's got a couple scratches. That'll come out. Yeah, that's just something on it. She got the bags deployed. 1, 2, 3 up there. Interiors are really nice. They definitely had a dog. There's so many random little bits of plastic. That's all random plastic. I've gone through it and pulled out anything of any value. So the AC condenser took a good hit. Radiators 2 and 3 might maybe be salvageable. This was leaking from right here, so that little port it's kind of snapped off, but not really. The fan looks fine. It's the radiator like rubber shroud. Get another one of those. There's definitely a deer. There's lots of fur. What's odd about this is that it like didn't hit really anything structural. This is totally fine. This is totally fine. It took out plastic here. It took out the headlight. It bent the support bar. And the engine's totally fine. A couple little hoses got pinched. This little nipple got broken off. I'll put a new nipple on that. But like, that's it. So I'm gonna have to take the bumper cover off now, I suppose. Well, it's not for a lack of effort here. I have literally tried everything you can do. I got the come along out. I got the ratchet straps out. I tugged on it in 4-low. It's moved 1/4 inch. The car, on the other hand, has moved about 8 feet. It's not working.